How to delete all videos on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. With that, you'll land to your profile page. Now on this page, you're going to find all of your videos. Now how to delete all videos at a single tap. At the moment, that option is not available in the TikTok, but what you can do is open each of the video individually. At the right corner, you will find three dots. Click on it. Now scroll to the right, you will find the option of delete. Click on it. Click on delete. So this way individually you can delete all the videos. But in the case you have used number of TikTok videos in your account, what you can do is you can apply this trick. For that, click on the three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option settings and privacy. Different sections will appear. Scroll all the way down. Now click on the option of report a problem. Now scroll all the way down. Click on the option of chat with us. Now over here you can explain that you have used number of videos in your TikTok account and you want to delete all the videos at once. As the process is time consuming, you are requesting TikTok support to delete all the videos for you and you can send it. After you send it, TikTok support team will get back to you and you can have the conversation. And just with that, your videos might be deleted. Well, this way you can easily delete all videos on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.